Hello, I'm Todd Heffley with Aviation Technical Solutions. This brief video will outline some of the features of the AS100 anti-skid test system. We designed the AS100 system to reduce the number of man-hours required to maintain, inspect, and troubleshoot anti-skid systems on many different types of jet aircraft. Let's get right to it. The AS100 anti-skid drive test system ships in a ruggedized shipping case. In this case, an AS106 system indicates that we have independent control over 6 tack drive motors at a time. Each one can have the RPM set precisely here and monitored on the RPM readout. Each one can be independently started and stopped to perform tests on the airplane, and each driver is protected from overcurrent by a driver fault circuit. The drive control console is connected to any one of 6 drive motors via an extra long cable so that the console can remain in the cockpit while the technician is driving each wheel tachometer independently. In this case, a Falcon 50 drive adapter and a Falcon 50 axle adapter, or in the case of some aircraft, a disc style adapter. This adapter mounts onto the wheel of the airplane. Also included in the kit is an instruction manual and a 110 volt power cord. Let's go through some of the features of the AS106 drive console. This happens to be an AS106, which indicates it will drive 6 wheels at one time independently of each other. On the back we have a large connector that goes out to the harness to each one of the 6 wheels, a power connector, and a power switch. The power supply internal is worldwide universal, 110 volts, 220 volts, 50 hertz, or 60 hertz, so should work on any power grid anywhere in the world. The long harness that goes out to each of the wheels connects to the rear connector. 110 volt power connects to the power receptacle. And we'll just turn the power switch on. Each one of the wheels has an independent start-stop switch. So for example, let's look at left outboard first. We can turn it on and we'll see about maybe 640 RPM there. We'll run it right up to 1,000 and let it stabilize. And then, for example, when we're ready to set the left inboard wheel, we'll turn it on and we'll observe left inboard wheel RPM, say about 600, and we'll run that right up to 1,000. We can go right around to each wheel on the airplane, set them at the same speed. The technician has the ability to stop one wheel suddenly and turn it back on, which will cause a brake release, or stop one wheel and leave it off, which will cause what's called blocked wheel detection testing. The unit has a speed selector for each of the 6 wheels, a run-stop switch, and an overcurrent drive protection indicator for each of the 6 wheels. The unit has a single RPM display that can be selected to the RPM of any one of the 6 wheels so that the RPM can be set to a predetermined level. Okay, this time we'll do a voltage check. We'll use a single driver off the AS100 system, Falcon 900 drive adapter, and set up with our pin A and C here, straight test leads, nothing special there. Fluke meter set to volts, and we'll just go ahead and bring this right up to 1,000 RPM. And we can do a quick little voltage check. Looks like we're right close to 1,000. And we're right on about 5. We also have the ability, as per the CMM, to use a loaded lead. That's just a 5,000 ohm resistor right across the leads. We can go right into A and C. And we can come right up to 1,800 RPM here. And it looks like our output is 7.8 something. That puts us right in the middle of the range there.
Thank you for watching this presentation of the AS100 anti-skid drive system. Please visit av-ts.com or heart-aviation.com for more troubleshooting tutorials and product information.